My subscribers recently pointed me toward a new YouTube channel that is basically blowing up with a strategy that looks super simple on the surface, but is actually incredibly smart. And when I checked it out myself, it honestly shocked me. The channel name is CCTV Vision, and they started posting only 5 months ago, yet somehow in this short period they have already pulled more than 6 million views from just over 50 videos. And every single upload is pulling massive traction, with some crossing hundreds of thousands of views, and one of them hitting well over 3 million already, which is wild for a channel created only a few months back. And if you think that is impressive, wait until this channel becomes monetized, because they could easily make $30,000 to $100,000 every single month from this type of content, which is absolutely insane. So now you are probably wondering how exactly they are doing this and how they are pumping out videos that pull this kind of attention. And here is where it gets crazy, because they are not hiding in strange places with actual cameras and waiting for hours hoping to capture something cool. They are simply using AI to generate these surreal, creepy security camera clips of animals doing strange things. Goats acting weird, birds appearing out of nowhere, and all kinds of strange actions happening in dark, eerie environments. And when you see the results, you will understand why viewers cannot stop watching. So, real quick, before we dive into the steps, take a moment to look at a clip I created using this exact strategy. And trust me, by the time we are done, you will be able to create clips that look just as good, if not better. So here is what you do. The very first step to going viral in this niche is having the right idea. And I wanted to make this super easy for you, so I put together a Google Doc filled with ready-to-use prompts built specifically for this style of surreal CCTV animal videos. And you can use these prompts exactly as they are or tweak them to create your own unique twist. And those prompts are linked right inside the video description, so make sure you check them out after this tutorial. And real quick, if you are still here, do me a favor, tap the like button, because it helps YouTube push this video out to more creators who want to learn how to grow using AI tools, just like you. Now, let us get back into the main steps. So what you want to do next is open the Google Doc, copy one of the idea prompts, then go to your AI text generator. For this example, I'm using ChatGPT. So paste the prompt inside the text box, but before you send it, tell the AI exactly how many variations you want, then hit enter. And in seconds, ChatGPT will generate a fresh batch of ideas tailored to this eerie CCTV animal niche. And these ideas can range from lighthearted, funny concepts to darker, more surreal scenes that keep viewers hooked, because the unpredictability is part of what makes these videos pop. And here's the cool part. If you do not like the ideas it gives you, just ask for more, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a new batch so you can keep refining until something clicks. That brings us to the next step, which is generating image prompts for your visuals. So go back to the Google Doc, copy the image prompt, then return to ChatGPT, paste it, hit enter, and let it generate a detailed set of prompts for each idea. And these are not generic prompts. They include elements like grainy texture, infrared glow, distorted lighting, night vision blur, timestamp overlays, distant animal silhouettes, and unsettling backgrounds that make the footage feel authentic. And once those prompts are ready, we move into creating the images themselves. So head over to Google ImageFX, log in with your Gmail, then open settings and choose the right aspect ratio based on where you plan to upload. If you want to target Shorts or TikTok, choose 9:16, but if you plan to upload full-length videos, then choose 16:9. Setting this correctly ensures your visuals fit perfectly and look professional. Now, go back to ChatGPT, grab your first image prompt, then paste it into ImageFX and click Generate. Give it a moment and it will produce 4 unique images matching your prompt. Now carefully examine them, choose the one that has the best eerie surveillance vibe, then download it, and repeat this whole process for every image prompt until your full set of visuals is ready. Next, we move into the animation part, where we turn those images into full motion video clips. And here is where most top creators use VO3. But that version is paid and expensive, so we're using Veo 2, which is completely free and still produces very impressive results. So head into Google Gemini, log in, click the menu, then select Generate Media, and choose Veo. This opens the video generation interface. Now upload your first image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the exact prompt used to create that image, paste it into the Veo prompt box, then click Generate, and the AI will process everything and animate your still image into a moving clip with the signature grainy, eerie surveillance look that stops viewers from scrolling. When the video finishes, play it to preview the movement, and you will see how real and unsettling it looks. The only limitation with Veo 2 is that it does not produce audio. But no worries, we'll fix that in the next step, and it will make your video sound 10 times more realistic. So for now, repeat this step for every clip until you have a matching sound effect for each scene. Next, we bring everything together inside CapCut. So open CapCut, click New Project, and import all the videos you generated. Once they're in the timeline, adjust the aspect ratio so everything fits perfectly for your platform. Then add transitions by selecting Overlay and applying a transition style. And make sure to hit Apply to All so the transitions look consistent throughout the entire video. Now, import your sound effects and drag each one underneath its matching clip. Adjust the timing so they sync perfectly, then play the full timeline to make sure everything flows smoothly. If you like the final result, click Export, choose 4K resolution for the highest quality, then download the finished video to your device. And once that's done, you have a fully polished, AI-generated, eerie CCTV animal video ready to upload. And trust me, these videos get wild engagement. So if this helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more AI walkthroughs, and drop a comment if you want me to break down even more viral strategies, because I have plenty more coming your way soon.